Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're connecting from. Today, I just want to encourage everyone to appreciate her man. It's very, very important and very necessary that we appreciate the men. They're going through a lot to put food on our table. So there are various things a man expects from a woman. Not only a woman should be treated well, the man also needs to be treated well because it's vice versa. So, as a woman, you need to acknowledge what he does. First of all, acknowledge what he does. It's very, very important. Just a simple thank you can go a long way to save a lot of trouble in your home. So learn to appreciate what he does. Then offer compliments. Offer compliments, and that's it will boost his self-confidence. Just look at him most times, tell him you're handsome, you're wise, you're great. Just say something, use complimentary words to boost his self confidence. So, men also need to be offered compliments and also spend quality time with your man. Spend quality time with your man. Let him feel valued. Let him feel honored. Let him feel appreciated. Let him feel welcome. So, spend quality time with your man and also render support. Show support. I've seen women who have a means of survival and they need to be the man is struggling to meet up, make ends meet, and they have everything to assist him, but they just have this kind of mindset that he's meant to be the one to provide for the home and they don't want to support. I've seen a woman whose rent, as in the man paid for the rent, and when it got expired he was not buoyant enough to renew the rent of their accommodation. And this woman had a lot of money in her bank account and she refused to release her money for this man to be assisted, to the point that the landlord drove them out of the house, sent them packing out of the house. So you see, in such situations, as a woman, render support. The men, they need support. You rendering support, you're not making that man a weakling. You're rather encouraging him. And I believe when that man has enough, he will take care of you. So men need to be supported. They need to be assisted. So if you have any means of assisting a man, please go ahead and do it. Don't just sit at home and wait for him to bring every day to support, to do everything. Do something for yourself and learn to assist him. Don't wait when it's time to buy Maggie, you disturb him, salt, all those little things. Cover up for him. Cover up for the man. So it's very, very important. The men, they also need our support. Then give the man, your man, thoughtful gifts. Give him quality gifts. Get him something. Just you've studied him, look at him and know what he will like. Just look, even if you cannot afford the most expensive one, just little gift to show appreciation. It will go a long way to encourage our men. So please render support and also give your man quality gifts and meaningful gifts. Give it to him. Let it not be only on his birthdays. Time to time like that, just look for small thing, maybe a perfume, a singlet or whatever, an underwear or whatever. Just give him to say, my love, my honey. Call him pet names. Give him, say, I just got this for you. Just give it to him. Then another thing, communication. Communications. Learn to share your feelings and do it respectfully. Communication. Learn to share your feelings. Then when you're upset, let him know. And please, the men, listen to our women whenever they're sharing their feelings. Please be patient and listen to the women. So please learn to share your feelings. So you need to communicate. Communication is a two-way thing. Listen to him while he listens to you. Then finally, on the final note, respect. Every man needs to be respected, whether he's gainfully employed or he's not employed. If you want to know what respect is, just go and meet a widow. Ask how it feels not to have a man around. Then you appreciate the man you have there, even if the man is not doing anything for now, because change it things will still turn around because tables will stay turn. So he may end up getting a good job tomorrow. So respect him for being who he is. Respect your man. Every man wants to be respected. Don't insult him, don't disgrace him. Please respect him and protect him. Every man needs to be protected. Protect your man from the midst of your family members. Protect him everywhere. Let your man be respected. If you don't respect your man, nobody will respect him out there. So if you try all these things, I believe every man will be appreciated. So please, ladies, learn to respect your man, just like I've already said. And if you do all these things, we'll not have issues in our homes anymore. So please learn to respect your man, learn to love him, learn to adore him, learn to give him gifts, learn to appreciate him. A thank you would do. Il faut respecter les femmes. Je parle aux femmes, les femmes aujourd'hui. Il faut respecter les hommes. Il faut respecter les hommes. Il faut acheter des cadeaux pour les hommes. Il faut dépenser beaucoup de temps et assez de temps qualité avec les hommes. Il faut aussi exprimer vos compliments envers les hommes. C'est vraiment important. Il faut exprimer vos compliments envers les hommes et aussi il faut les soutenir. Il faut les soutenir. Soutiennent les hommes, c'est vraiment important. Ils ont besoin de le soutien. Il faut soutenir les hommes. Et aussi, finalement, la communication. La communication, c'est vraiment important. Si vous avez un problème, il faut communiquer avec l'homme que vous avez. Il faut communiquer avec lui. Il faut parler avec lui. Il faut parler l'un à l'autre, c'est vraiment important. Et si vous faites des choses comme ça, vous aurez de la paix dans la maison. Merci et je vous souhaite bonne chance dans le mariage à tout le monde. Merci et au revoir. Thank you. So do have a great day. Thank you so much.